Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your thread history in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. That's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to delete our thread history. Well, it's quite easy. At the left side of the screen, you can see all these options. But from now, what we have to do is simply go to library. It is just below discover. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. As you can see from here, you can look at all the threads and all the collections. Right now, I want to delete or clear my thread history. So right next to thread, you will see these three dots called as more. Click on it. From here, you are going to be provided with an option like this that says delete all threads. Click on it and just give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. As you can see, your thread history has been deleted. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we delete your thread history in Perplexity AI. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.